My name is Arun and today I'm making a classic daiquiri for you. Classic daiquiri gets its name from the Daiquiri beach in Cuba. All we need are three basic ingredients. First, a white rum, we are using Bacardi White. Second is the freshly squeezed lime juice. And third is the sugar syrup. Let's start making this cocktail. We are taking a cobbler shaker and the least expensive of the ingredients. The ice goes into the cobbler shaker. First of all, we will add 15 ml of sugar syrup. ,30 ml of freshly squeezed lime juice. And we will add 60 ml of Bacardi White. Once all the ingredients are mixed, then we will shake the drink. This can be a one-handed operation, or you can use your two hands as it feels comfortable to you. Once you think your ingredients are well mixed and the shaker has become chilled, so we use a cocktail glass. Either this cocktail glass can be chilled beforehand, or this is the chilling technique. And here, my friends, is a classic daiquiri. We will use a lemon slice as the garnish. Enjoy your drink.